Hi guys, so this is a very specific and oriented video towards USMLE. So what is USMLE? USMLE stands for United States Medical Licensing Exam. So this exam can be taken up by anyone, like the residents or the people in US as well as foreign students like us. So basically this video will be divided into 5 parts. Number 1 will be the procedure, number 2 will be the books required in USMLE, number 3 will be the cost required to cover the USMLE exam, number 4th part will be is it tough or not, and number 5th will be it is worth it compared to the NEET PG and it is worth it to the hype that it has been created among the medical students. The timestamp of this video you can see in the description as well as on the comment section. So let's talk about the number 1 thing, the procedure. So USMLE is actually divided into 3 parts or steps, to be honest. Step 1, Step 2 and Step 3. Step 1 is basically a theoretical exam in which the subjects of first year and second year comes, like anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, and second year subjects like pathology, pharmacology, microbiology and forensic medicine. So basically the Step 1 is conducted in one day for all around 8 hours and the total marks in the exam is 280. So basically marks of 250 or out of 280 is considered decent marks for USMLE Step 1. If I talk about the range for the USMLE Step 1 exam की कितनी range में हमारे marks होने चाहिए, then I would suggest the marks should be between 230 to 280. One is a kind of multiple choice question exam like our NEET PG exam. So we have talked about the Step 1. Now let's move to the Step 2. So Step 2 is divided into 2 parts. One is clinical knowledge and one is clinical science. So which means Step 2 is divided into 2 parts, A and B. First, clinical knowledge. The clinical knowledge part of Step 2 is divided into 8 blocks which comprises of 60 minutes each block, and the question varies depending upon what they want. So there is no specific number of questions in each block for 60 minutes. The question won't exceed more than 40, and if you compare to 8 blocks, the question won't exceed more than 418 to be specific. So the questions are about the clinical knowledge perspective, not around the theory perspective. For all the years you have been into medical, all the clinical subjects like medicine, surgery, pediatrics, gynecology and every clinical subject you can think about comes in Step 1 clinical knowledge. It's MCQ based exam only. So अब हम बात करते हैं Step 2 में second part, that is clinical science. ये exam हम आपको क्लिनिकल साइंस, ये एग्जाम हमें यूएस जाके देना पड़ता है. तो अगर आप किसी भी कंट्री में हैं, डजंट मैटर दैट यू हैव टू ट्रैवल टू अमेरिका टू गिव दिस स्टेप ऑफ द एग्जाम. इसमें क्या होगा, आपको पेशेंट्स के पास लेके जाएंगे. देयर विल बी एक्टर्स प्रेजेंटिंग एज अ पेशेंट एंड दे विल बी आस्किंग यू टू हिस्ट्री टेकिंग, हाउ यू कैन कम्युनिकेट विद द पेशेंट, असेसमेंट कैसे करेंगे, डायग्नोसिस क्या करेंगे. दिस विल बी द थिंग्स दैट विल हैपन इन Step 2 clinical science part. So basically आपको 12 patients will be given and each patient time will be 15 minutes. In that time you have to examine everything you can. Physical examination, diagnosis, prognosis, anything that you have been learned, history taking, you have to do it in 15 minutes and 12 patients will be given, actors specifically. And remember that you have been given 15 minutes for each patient, and if you are completing that patient with less than 15 minutes, if you go out of that room for the next patient, remember you cannot go back again to that patient. Once it's done, it's done. So now the Step 2 has been completed. We talk about Step 3. So Step 3 is being conducted for 2 whole days. The first day consists of 233 questions divided to 6 blocks, each block consisting of 60 minutes. And these questions are basically again clinical related, and you get a break of around 45 minutes between each block. The second day of this Step 3 is around 9 hours, which is a long time, which gives you 180 MCQs in 6 blocks, having a time duration of around 45 minutes to 60 minutes in each block. Then followed by 13 case stimulation, in which you are given some case and you have to analyze within 20 minutes. 13 cases each of 20 minutes. You have to analyze it. And between each case you'll be given a 45 minutes break also, so don't worry. But the thing is, Step 3 is only given for the international students. So basically if the student, a medical student is from US only, they need not to give the step 3. But as we are Indians and the foreign student for US, we have to give step 3 exam. And for step 3, again I told you, you have to travel to America only. So we have completed the procedure of USMLE, what it happens, what it has, and what we are supposed to do. Now we are going to talk about the second thing, the books required to crack USMLE every step. So the book and the best resources for USMLE is Kaplan Resources for USMLE. It has 3 books for step 1, step 2 and step 3 respectively, and you have to get the subscription for that. And the second thing is First Aid for USMLE. It has 3 different books for each step of step 1, step 2 and step 3 respectively. These are the 2 best resources you can get for USMLE to crack it easily, as I'm also reading it, and this will be the best for you guys too. Now we have completed the books and the procedure. We'll talk about the most important question the students ask, is the cost required to crack USMLE. So basically, as we are Indians and we approximately, if I suggest to you, we require around 20 to 30 lakhs for just giving USMLE exam. Thinking about it, how? Let's say there is a procedure fee for the exam. Then you have to travel to America also. Then you have to come back, and the visas and the passbook. Now let's talk about the number 4 thing. Is it tough or not? Me, I would suggest it's an easy exam compared to any other exam that we give in India, because the number of questions and the brainstorming they do are, to be honest, very straightforward, and they don't make you think about too much. But in India, it is very, very tough, to be honest, to think about it. So basically, compare it to the NEET PG thing, USMLE is comparatively easy, because the competition in USMLE, the number of questions I would suggest in the USMLE, the level of the USMLE is easier in respect to the questions. But if we see compared to the competition, then USMLE is far tough than NEET PG, because the number of students getting selected is very, very less, especially the foreign students, because they don't accept too much of foreign students. And you can see most of the students want to settle in US, and many medical students apply for USMLE, not all get selected. So if you want to get selected in USMLE, then definitely I would suggest to you to start studying from second year, especially at any cost. Start studying at second year for USMLE, and remember to do some researches like ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Researches. Do some researches with them. You can enroll them, as every college has ties up with them, and they come and help you do researches with respect to your professors. So start doing research, because it will give you edge towards your resume. So there'll be more chances for you getting selected in US. It will give you more points compared to the other students who has not done any research. So this was all about USMLE. Hope you liked my video. Please do like, subscribe and comment on my channel, because whenever you do so, I feel motivated, because you are my family.